This is my motorcycle ramp. It's a Titan heavy duty folding motorcycle ramp that is about 10 feet when opened up, and they say about 6 feet when folded. I'm guessing because the hinges stick out a little bit. It's made of aluminum. It's about 17 and a half inches wide. It has a little bit of an arch to it. And it's, I think, the best motorcycle ramp out there. I bought it because I was hauling around some bigger bikes and a CB 750 Hondas, and I have a Triumph Scrambler, and they're in they weigh around 500 pounds. And this ramp is rated to 1,500 pounds. So it's nice and wide and stable and safe, and it works great for the dirt bike too, especially if you're loading by yourself, which I often am. That nice wide footprint, and also the just how sturdy it is, doesn't flex a lot, as you'll see as I'm unloading the bike by myself. It does weigh about 45 pounds, so it's a little on the hefty side for sure, but that to me is a worthy trade-off. And the other trade-off would be the price. It's not inexpensive. It's about $200 or so. But again, I've seen so many flimsy little ramps, narrow ramps, people dropping bikes, or their bike comes to the corner of the ramp and the ramp gets squirrely and flips over. And I've never had a problem with this ramp, even with the big heavy bikes. So as you can see, it handled the dirt bike with ease, and it even did those bigger 500 plus pound bikes, no sweat. So I think this Titan heavy duty folding ramp is the best one on the market personally. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.